Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. We are happy you're here. This is Creativity and Inspiration, and I'm Lisa. Today I'm coming back with you with more fresh ideas for gift wrap. So it's kind of crowded in here, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to sit sideways and wrap right here. And the first gift I'm going to wrap is a book I have for my brother. And I just wrap books like they are, like this. I think it's just, why waste a box? If you want to use a box, obviously, go ahead. That is you. You are more than welcome to. But I am going to use some paint to decorate the top. So what I've done is I have a cardboard square from my gingerbread house box video. And I'm just going to use it and kind of trim it down to fit the book. And then I'm going to use that as the top. That is the side I will put my tape on, and that is also the side that I will decorate. But I am going to wrap it up in some brown paper and show you a fun way to decorate it. So first let me just cut this down real quick. And of course I forgot scissors. Okay, so there's the book wrap. Here is my cardboard side, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my white paint marker and make some different snowflakes down one side. And I'm also going to use this napkin. I have these soldier napkins. And what I'm going to do is cut this border off and put it down one side, because I'm going to actually decoupage this on, so that's perfect because it won't soak through to the book. Remember, if you decoupage on your paper, a lot of times if you don't have like something protecting it, the gift like a box or a cardboard, to decoupage your paper beforehand before you wrap your book or before you wrap your gift. But what I'm going to do, because I do have the cardboard on there, is I'm just going to cut the border, and then I will peel apart the layers and just decoupage my layer on real quick. And down the edge of the book where I want to put it, where I want to put the trim from the napkin. That's done, and I'll hold it up for you. We'll finish this in just a little bit. When it dries, we're going to move on to the next gift while it dries. But this is the gift so far. I think it looks really good. You see how much it pops on the brown background, which is what I like. It doesn't take a lot of something to make these pop. Okay, the next one we're going to wrap is this solar coffee mug. But if you have a couple of gifts and they're sort of like stackable, this would be a cute moment to use white paper, wrap both in white, then make a hat, some eyes, a nose, and a scarf, and make a snowman. How cute, right? So that's always fun. And you could, decorate it with blues if you want like a winter snowman. You could decorate it with Christmas color, with whatever colors you wanted to. So that's something to keep in mind if you have a bunch of presents going to the same person. They're a little same shapes but different sizes. Stack them and create a snowman. That makes an adorable gift. I will use brown paper again. And I'm going to wrap. There's a couple of things I could do now. If you wanted to make your own design on the top of this, but you're not an artist, you could find a shape, you could print one or whatever, cut it out and trace it on there. So you could have like a really cute big ornament traced on here and color it how anybody, favorite colors, whatever you want. And the battery's about to die. I'll be right back. And on this one, I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can decorate, or maybe 3, because he won't care if I use this as an example, because I don't have that many gifts to wrap. So First we'll do the top, and we'll just do some stamps and some ink. This is a really cute way. A lot of people already have this. You might have red ink, green ink, whatever you have, whatever colors you want to use. If you want to use blue, I'm going to use black, and then you can go in with markers and color it if you want, or you could leave it plain. Up to you, and I'll have a finished, of course, at the end showing you everything done, but right now I'm just going to stamp it, and then like I said, I'll have the little video at the end showing you. And I'm going to use different candies here to go up and down the side. And this isn't a very big gift, so I don't need too many of these. The lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop lifesaver. And then I'm going to use a little gumdrop in between. Okay, so I'm going to do that real quick. And it's super simple, you know, we all know how to stamp. Make sure you got it. I don't have that in. Okay, now it's all stamped, and I'm just going to put it up here at the top on the edge, along the edge. You can do whatever edge you want. I'm going to put that down, push real hard, and then pull straight off, and boom. It's a very clear stamp. It looks really good. These are actually some candy stamps that I got from Mamie Made It, which is pretty cool. And I've got a piece of scrap paper over here. I'm just going to stamp off all the extra real quick. Okay, now I'm going to go to my next candy, which is this tallish one, longish one, like a Tootsie Roll. Okay. Now, if you have a block, that would probably be way handy. I don't have a block. I want a block. Okay, then I'm going to stamp it the opposite direction. Yeah, see, I didn't put enough pressure, but that's okay. He won't care. And you guys are just getting an idea, so... I'll push it down. Oh, yep, pretty happy with that one. Okay, I'm going to put those over there and kind of stamp all the ink off again. Okay, now where is... Okay, I'm going to take this little bitty one and kind of go in between, because he actually grew up with these types of candies. And I'm going to do them straight. There we go. All right. So that, and then you could add some ribbons or whatever. You could do the whole page in that, whatever you want to do. I'm going to show you another option. Besides stamping, and you don't have to use little stamps if you have one big stamp. This is my Santa stamp. I could ink this all up and stamp it on there, and it would look amazing too. So stamps are a great option. You could also draw just snowflakes down the side, and snowflakes are easy. If you saw my short, I did a gift for you where I was inspired by my shower curtain. Okay, and all I'm going to do is pick it up, and to draw a snow, that's the bottom. I'm going to do a side, just so that way it's, let's do this side, okay? You could do it down the middle, you could do it again along the side, you could do it all over, but snowflakes are, okay, they're just, you know, you could do straight lines, and I'm going to do these kind of big. Okay, you could do oops. do double arrows, do single arrows. You could make them more ornate. You could make them less ornate. Whatever you want, however you see your snowflakes. You could cover the whole thing. Again, you could go down one side. But they're that easy to do. Not hard at all. So using a paint pen on your gifts. And like I said, the brown paper really lends itself. Now, I'm going to go back and color these, which, again, you'll see at the end of the video. But they pop. And the brown paper, because it's so simple, anything on it really ornate really pops. And I'm going to use one more side here. And just show you again. Actually, I'm going to do two more things on this. Because, like I said, he won't care. I'm going to use some flowers. You could color these with red or green paint if you wanted to. You know, you can do them however you want. I'm trying to put like in the corner here. Alright, let me do this real quick. I'm just taking my modeling paste and my little stencil, and I'm going to use a flower, a Christmas flower, what I think looks like a Christmas flower, like a poinsettia. And I'm going to put it on the corner at the bottom down here. And there we have our flower. And I'm going to set this over here. And then we have our poinsettia at the bottom. I love that too. Now we're going to let this dry. And I'm going to show you the last few ways you can decorate. Then we'll talk about a couple of different ideas for tags. Okay. So I'm just going to use a plain brown box. That's something else you can do. You don't have to worry with any paper at all. You can just use a plain brown box. And I'm just going to get this twine unraveling. This is my red solid twine. And I'm just going to get that unraveling. And you can do long ways, short ways, around, you know, round it however you want. I'm going to do it this way. And all I'm going to do is take my twine and just wrap it around multiple times. I'm not worried about it being neat. I'm not worried about anything at all. I'm just wrapping away. Once I get it to whatever thickness I want, I will cut it so I can tape it at the back or side, whatever. Or I could tuck it in, no tape at all. Whatever you want to do, okay? But you've got that. Now, when you have that, come in with some natural elements. And I have a sprig of a pine tree right here. And it's real. You can obviously use non-real items as well. And I'm going to use a cinnamon stick. And this is going to make your house and your home smell wonderful. But if you have kids or pets, you might want to put these gifts out of reach because they will smell good. And when something smells good, not only does a child want to try it, but a pet will too. And a lot of things in the people world are not safe for animals. Especially peppermint, guys. Please be careful with the peppermint. Now, I love the look of those together. And I'm going to put them on my package. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the red and white this time. And kind of wrap these together. I'm going to wrap these two together so they stay. And tie a bow. And then I'm going to attach them right there like that. And how pretty is that? And this will be at the end of the video. Okay, this is the last one. And I think for this one, I'm going to do it in white paper and show you another fun trick you can do. Alright, so here is our surface we're going to use. Alright, so this is one of the easiest ways to make a really big impact on a gift. It's with washi tape. Again, using stuff we have. So, let's see, our base one, we need kind of a big one. So I'm going to use this orange. And I'm using all different colors. You could use Christmas colors. You could use whatever you want. Oh, I hope this works. Sometimes this washi doesn't peel right. So we're going to start with almost side to side, not quite. And I'm going to cut it. Draw in a tree trunk and create something like that. And the star was just washi tape, gold washi tape that I kind of did a crisscross on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this more fresh ideas for gift wrap. I thought I was wrapping and it would just be fun to show you some ideas I had for wrapping my own family's gifts. I hope you liked part 2 as much as you seem to enjoy part 1. If you did, again, please be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell because that always helps me out the more subscribers I get. We'll be back on Christmas Day with a new video for you guys, so don't want to miss out. And I hope you all have a wonderful holiday if that's what you celebrate. If not, I just hope you have a good rest of your week and a great weekend. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.